Now let's finish up with number 8. This is a table. We just got to fill in the blanks. They're either going to give us a compound name, we give them the formula, or they give us the formula, and we got to give them the name. So we start with aluminum sulfide. So I have something that is aluminum and sulfur, but this is an ionic compound, right? It's a metal. It's a non-metal, so I need to make sure that these charges balance, right? Because aluminum has a +3, sulfur has a -2. If you guys remember, you can just cross these charges down. So Al2, S3. Looking at cesium carbonate, I'm going to have to look at the polyatomic ion sheet to see that carbonate is CO3. So I'm going to have, not correct, cesium, or cesium, however you want to say it, and carbonate. I also want to look at these charges. Okay, in order to balance these charges, I'm actually going to need 2 of these cesium atoms and only 1 of the carbonates, because cesium is in main group 1. It's got a charge of +1. Carbonate is coming in with a -2, so I'm going to need 2 of these cesium to balance out 1 of the carbonates. All right, so now we got to find a name. We got lead, and we have chlorine. Okay, so this is a ionic compound. Lead is one of those elements that form multiple charges, so I'm going to use the stock name here. So I'm going to go lead 2 chloride, because there are 2 chlorides contributing a total of -2 on the right side of the formula. So that single lead atom that we see is there must contribute a +2. So lead 2 chloride. All right, now I have a few different, or a couple of polyatomic ions here, so I'm going to look them up, right? Don't bother trying to memorize these at this point in the course. Look it up. We have ammonium. We have ammonium, which we know is going to be a +1 charge, so a stock system is not necessary. And then I have a phosphate. I have ammonium and phosphate for ammonium phosphate. And lastly, let's do an acid. We haven't done a whole bunch of these with the hydro, because they're a little bit simple, but we got hydro. So whatever this name is coming from is a monatomic anion. So iodic, I hope that sounds a lot like iodine to you. Okay, so iodine, main group 7, so it forms a -1 charge. That means I only need 1 hydrogen to balance that out. And that is it.